Hi guys, actually I tak tahu I nak buat apa today. Before I'm gonna go out looking very dry, crusty, and I just don't like it. We're gonna do our makeup because today I'm just not feeling the vibe at home and I feel like I want to go somewhere because I'm bored. I just washed my hair like 2 days ago. It's still going strong. I just washed my face. Today I'm recording with my front camera. Last time I recorded with my back camera. Memory was like so full and then it just stopped for some reason. But so I'm done with my toner and my sunscreen. I don't know, I'm just not feeling to wear any makeup today. I look so dull if I'm not wearing makeup. Okay, so we're gonna wear our moisturizer now. So for the moisturizer, I like to go in with the moisturizer that is quite thick but not too thick because my skin gets easily clogged. Like this one, I think the reason that I'm breaking out a bit is because like I think I'm almost on my period, but I'm not yet on my period. I think it's like baru nak datang. You get what I mean? With my makeup and it's now 6:38 p.m. I'm still in front of my house. I'm almost at my best friend's house. I'm at the traffic light right now. So while waiting at the traffic light, I just want to update you guys that my best friend's house is like 2 minutes away. And then malam ni I tak tahu kita orang nak makan apa. I macam nak makan something yang goreng-goreng and I nak makan dengan cheese. Sana pergi Alamanda and I nak beli Krispy Kreme because I was like craving it so much. I don't know why. Semalam pun I makan Krispy Kreme. Hari ni pun I nak makan Krispy Kreme. I think it's like period cravings. For you period mesti you craving kan? Yeah, I think I'm in that stage.
Rasa aku tegur pasal kau punya skin semalam terus naik.
Oh shit bro. So semalam dia cakap macam ni kat I tau. Weh, kau tukar skincare product ke? Naik ni biji ni. Sekali mana naik? Mana? Kat mana naik?
Ni macam ni sikit. Aku rasa aku jenis
So lesson dia,
kalau aku tegur hari tu aku tegur Ainul juga, lepas tu terus naik aku punya.
so lesson dia jangan tegur gang. Entahlah, kita nak cari donut je sebenarnya. Ikutkan kita orang ni gayok I, but I don't know. I think Alamanda is okay. If you guys haven't seen our mukbang video, which is the failed ASMR, korang kena tengok tau. Make sure korang tengok the video after korang tengok video ni. Orang kata boycott McDonald ni, ramai orang kat McDonald ni macam mana? The escalator so slow. Pak kata tika it's so slow. You guys, kedai Krispy Kreme tu dah tutup. Kita tukar dengan bus bag. Kejap, kita baliklah Tika. Tak, kita pergi kat dia punya grocery store. Ada rezeki untuk the donuts.
Ada customer kena serve.
Kena layan kan?
Ha, ni dia. Maka ada aku cakap welcome. At least dia nak main phone nak duduk pun cakap lah welcome.
Betul? I suka gila kedai ni. Dulu my mum selalu gila pergi kedai Lovely Lace ni sebab dia punya scented wangi gila. Oh my god, it's so good. Gila, siapa nak wangikan bilik beli ni?
Masak.
Wangi. I suka gila.
Halus ni. Mau macam bilik aunty dulu je.
Kat
SK.
I rasa my mum pernah beli this one, which is the rose one. I suka gila. Oh, ini sedap. Ini sedap. Cakap, Habi, if you're watching this, I want one of these. Okay? It's in the scent rose. I nak yang ni. So wangi. So right now maybe kita just cari goreng-goreng kot or like ramen or stuff. Sebab I nak makan dengan cheese tu. Weh, jom tengok weh.
Tunjuk aku weh.
Dia cantik lah.
Lembut dia.
Weh, tapi tu macam cantik. Yang plain tu macam love. Wih, harga
Tak lembut.
Ni macam sama dengan baju dia. Tak lembut, dia tak ada colour lain lah. Ada pink je. I wish it has white. Tapi there's the Maggi section. There's the Maggi section here. I menyesal hari tu I beli and dia expired. Ni apa? Ni macam dia buat macam ramen punya ni lah weh. Hot carbo. Sedap lah kalau kita try makan ni. Decide to buy this one instead. Sebab kita nak try makan yang ini. So let's switch on. Okay, so kita nak scan dua ni. Man, grocery shopping is tiring though. Ni comel gila. RM1.10 je. Boleh buat door gift. Siapa yang nak buat door gift, bolehlah buat door gift ni function sikit kan.
Orang berkicap.
Kicap kan. Ni bagi santan. Kalau dia kahwin nanti bagi santan. Sesuai dengan baju dia ni. Got the barang. Nak yang roti buah biasa? Such a sad day with a sad song. So guys, we are at the grocery store again, but a different one. So I believe you can see Aka. Ada foto? Guys, I don't know why today is a grocery video for some reason. Sebab semalam I pergi grocery. Hari ni I pergi grocery with my mom. Oh my god, besar gila this one. Besar sangat. Kejap ya guys, I tengah pilih bawang. Okay, maybe this one keras. Okay, so guys, we're in the car with my mom. Baru habis beli barang rumah. Come on. It was so tiring. I think every time I go to buy groceries, it's so tiring. I feel so tired, but my mom's not tired. Berapa persen, mommy? Your energy right now?
60%.
60%. I think I'm 60 also. I think I'm 60 also. Do me and my mom look alike? Kita nampak sama tak? Kalau sama, komen kat bawah. I thought about my tripod today, so I'm holding with my two hands. Tapi vlog ni, I think it's a vlog about grocery shopping sebab yesterday I went grocery shopping, so today I went grocery shopping juga. So you guys, I got some strawberries. Sedap gila. I rasa dessert strawberry with chocolate ni, I rasa semua orang kena try sebab sedap gila. Sedap, sumpah sedap gila, my favourite. Sedap. Okay, last bite before I kena buat kerja balik. Sedap gila guys. You guys have to try strawberry with chocolate. The best thing ever.